Perfect, 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 perfect. Please hit this. Good boy. Alright, so today we're going to be trolling and just trying to fish these lakes in this John boat over here. Got the motor trimmed up pretty high, so it's going to be loud because we're going to be running shallow in a second. But we're going to be going to that lake back there and the lake behind it. Maybe hit a few more, but yeah, that is, we're running pretty shallow. We're going to be hopefully trying to catch some fish, so be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, let's try and catch something. Alright, so we're finally at the new lake. This one goes like all the way around, so we're going to troll around it a little bit, throw a few casts out. I always catch snakeheads here, but we're going to see what we can catch. There's peacock on a bed right here. May be able to catch, but yeah, we're probably just going to go troll around, and we'll see if we catch something. Alright, my friend caught a little male. Perfect size for my friend, but
you want it?
No, he's on a bed.
I don't have a bucket either.
He's on a bed. We're not gonna take him. So yeah. Alright, my friend just caught one more that wasn't on a bed, but yeah, we're gonna quit messing with the fish over here. We're gonna be trying to catch some big old snakeheads or something else. It's a little bigger. So let's do it. I'm gonna try and set up right here. Maybe that'll be good. Oh, I just had a little bluegill, like that big. That was weird. Just followed it right up to the boat. Oh, I just got it. That was very weird. Got a snakehead. Just, you're fine. Oh, peacock behind it. Bring it in. Bring it in. Peacock behind it.
Wait, snakehead? Oh, snakehead.
Yeah. Not a big one at all, but there was a little peacock behind it.
Oh, wait. I think. I just got hit.
Probably did. Cast back out.
I just caught a little tug.
Yeah. Oh, cast back out. He was chilling here for a minute. Pliers. Yeah, little snake. You're joking. You saw that?
No.
Big old peacock. You can go faster with that. Oh, there's a snakehead up there. Oh, I'm getting followed. What was that? Saw I got tapped.
Yo.
Something's hitting your line. Keep going. Just keep going. Just continue trolling.
Yo, what was that?
I don't know, but whatever it was.
Is it big?
Decent size, probably. It hit your line.
Did you get my line, really?
Yeah, you didn't see that?
Oh.
There we go, you're on. Bring it in, bring it in.
That was big.
It's really big.
Yeah.
Oh, you joking? He had it. I really hope you go for that.
Remember that?
No. Yo, the only thing that it is.
Big.
There's a school of something hitting out in the middle. You see that?
What?
School of something hitting out in the middle. Just a hit. Perfect, 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 perfect. Please hit this. cast out there. There's a school.
Good?
Yeah.
Not bad. Eee. Right out there.
On each side, he has like a little blue stripe. I don't know if that's like a little. I don't know what that is. It's a pretty cool fish altogether.
Where is it?
Just out there. Hi, bud. You have nothing?
No. Oh!
Alright, well, just reel.
What the heck is wrong with my phone? Oh, that's why.
The drag's tight.
No.
That is a tiny fish. Little tiny peacock.
Thanks, bro.
That is a very tiny.
That's probably one your friend would want, like that kind of size.
Yeah, I should have brought a bucket, but
Yep. We wouldn't.
okay. Let's release some.
Go back. Fuck.
Oh, you're on a fish. Just reel.
Can you stop the NCs?
Oh, there we go. It's a little sick. Alright, so it's a pretty big cichlid, but let him go. Pretty much.
Sorry, I'm going out because I'm not
Oh yeah, you're gonna. I'm also on rocks. I thought I had a fish. That was sad. You stuck? What happened?
I don't know. Oh! What is it with this stuff, bro? What
Okay.
is
That okay? Let's have a look. I don't know. Probably more than half the size, honestly.
I mean,
Yeah, that's more than half. I don't know what he's saying.
how you gonna eat that? How you gonna eat that?
We'll throw him back.
You're gonna have stomach aches.
Let's go.
I did not want that to snap. I really did not.
Oh my gosh.
Shall we?
I wasn't even looking.
You don't need a mirror. It's big.
Feels big. He's feeling low though. Oh, it's a peacock.
Oh snap, bro.
That's a decent one. That's right. That's it. Pretty nice one right there. So we'll get a release on this one. Good one. All right. Cool. Alright, that's probably going to be the end of the video. I don't have a lot more battery on the GoPro, but be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and comment what else we should do next. And yeah, that's going to be it. We'll see you guys next time.